I need these mattresses for my back. Hard surfaces wreak havoc on my pelvic floor. Call them pallets.
What would the other people use?
Do you want me to have a dysfunctional pelvic floor the whole of your birthday weekend? Well, then hurry before the others get here. Hi, big boy. This isn't Mommy stealing. It's for Mommy's pelvic floor.
What's a pelvic floor?
They control my sphincter and the opening of my vag.
Orvis,
Whoa,
Orvis,
whoa, whoa!
no.
I was here when I got here. It's just BBs.
BBs
listen.
can cause serious injury.
Yes. What was that?
Like a tree branch or a could.
I shot a bear.
I'm Jandis.
Oh, there's a BB in there.
This is gonna smart a tiny.
Oh, that is one dull needle.
Needle is unclean.
Pretend I'm biting you. I'm biting you. I'm biting you, and you love it. You